Hello, hello, hello again. Well, we got kitchen cooking chronicles here. So I'm doing some rotisserie chicken. I don't have rotisserie. I'm just putting it in my oven over there. I'm gonna put it on 250, so it'll slow cook. So here's my rotisserie chicken. I have two of them. I clean my chickens, get all of the nasty stuff from the inside, the guts and all of that, and then I season it up. And I'm gonna show you what I season it with. So I season my chicken with, let me start with the dry seasoning. So I use fine pink Himalayan salt in all of my food. Then I have the adobo seasoning, smoked paprika, all-purpose seasoning, Aleppo pepper, thyme, rosemary, minced garlic, and then I put this chicken bouillon at the bottom of the pan because I'm gonna pour water in it to season up the water a little bit more. So with all of the seasonings, I do season the back and front and the inside of my chicken with all the seasonings that you see, and then I cut up two uh, short stacks of butter, and I place it randomly. I place some in the inside and all over the outside of the chicken. I also do my turkey like this for Thanksgiving as well. Then we have right here, we're gonna have some baked potatoes. The sweet potato is mine. And I just basically scrub down my potatoes with some Dawn soap and one of those scrubby pads that you scrub your pots and stuff with. I scrub it down real good and then I rinse it off. And as I'm rinsing it off, I'm turning it and rubbing my hands up and down the whole potato to make sure it's rinsed really well and all the dirt rinses off. Then we're having some roasted Brussels sprouts. I already seasoned them up, and I seasoned them up with the pink Himalayan salt and adobo seasoning, and then I poured some extra virgin olive oil. This is the kind that I use. I've been using this for years. I'm also going to make some honey balsamic glazed. So I'm going to let these roast for a little while until they're done, and then I'm going to put together the glaze using balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and honey, and I'll let it cook down over the stove until it's a little thick. Mix it up in this and put mix it up in the Brussels sprouts, and then put the Brussels sprouts back in the oven to let it, cook through a little bit. And I do clean my Brussels sprouts, so I cut the tips off. I also take off a couple of layers of the leaves because sometimes bugs crawl up between those leaves, just like on lettuce. And so on my lettuce, I do the same thing. I take off about 2 layers of the lettuce before I use it, but I did clean my Brussels sprouts with this cleaner right here. I let it sit. I filled the bowl up with water and then poured like probably a half a cup of this cleaner. And you could get this from Sprouts, AJ's, if you have an AJ's, or Whole Foods, most likely. So this is what I use to clean my fruit and vegetables. So I let it sit probably for about 15-20 minutes while I clean my chicken, seasoned it, clean my potatoes or whatever, and then I rinse them off really well. Put them back in the big bowl after I cleaned that out and seasoned it up with the seasoning that I just said. So I will come back with the video once everything is done and put together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. And peace out until a little bit.